नहमदुहु नसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद पाऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. Dear student, today we are enter into rural area. Already we have discussed these things in the class. Now we want to practically show those items in the field. So now today we are in the rural area. My first question is that what is rural area, and the second question is development, and the third question is rural development, and the fourth question is importance of rural development. So we are in the rural area and we are doing some positive activity for the improvement of rural area. There my son and my nephew have started some activity there, and they plant the eucalyptus tree. First of all, they have a tool, and with the help of tool they make the hole, and then the plant which is present in the bag, from this bag they put into that hole, and there they will press it, and some mud they also put on this plants. So this is a simple activity. We largely the plant name is eucalyptus. We grow in that area where the area is waterlogged and color type area, and we not grow other thing there. Because of this we grow the eucalyptus tree in that area. So the eucalyptus tree role is that they absorb the water from the soil, and they protect the sap, and through this way the water sap stopped, and then they are ready for other activity. So there we have only start a small activity, but there you will see the wheat crop. This is the role of the farmer. This is a positive activity, and these crops production the farmer get, and then they sell in the market, and from market this product goes to other area, to urban area, and the people eat the flour of this wheat. So it play great role for the survival of life. There you will see the acacia tree. The acacia tree they use for the fuel purpose. The farmers sometimes cut this tree, and they sometimes they cut the tree and they sell in the market, and they earn some money. In front of the wheat you will see there some eucalyptus tree. The 2 years have been passed. The farmer has grown this tree. There the plant which is nearest to the water system, the growth of those plants are better than the other plants. You see there in some area they have put 6 to 6 feet, but in some area they have keep the place 10 to 10 feet, and sometime different methodology of distance have been used for the purpose. These are the eucalyptus tree. These tree the farmer cut and they sell in the market, and they provide a very good income to farmer. So this type of activity where the area is waterlogged, the farmer grow this type tree, and they apply this type of tree they grow there, and they get the income level from this tree. They, because after 6 years they give 500 per plant. But now you see there the size of the plant is different. The plant which is nearest to the waterlogged area, there the stem of these plants are more, but which is away from the waterlogged area, the stem are very thick, and they not provide more money. So The waterlogged area it create a great problem, and they make the soil unfertile, and they create a problem for seeds, and there the seed growth is impossible. For this purpose, we have also use different methodology. Some plants are big and some plants are small, but in one time they have grown. But due to fertility and distance, these are some factor. Due to this factor, the size of the plant is different. Some plant size is more and some plant size is very less. There you will see the eucalyptus tree, but they are nearest to the water channel. Because of this, the white ants are more and they damage to the popular plant. But here, this is the eucalyptus tree. The eucalyptus tree growth is good, and nothing has been damaged by any animal or white ant. Because therefore we grow those plants in that area which give more income to farmer. So the farmer try and they first survey and they touch with the agriculture university expert, and they discuss some issue with them, and also they discuss the issue with the forest department expert, and through this way they get some knowledge, and that knowledge they use in their field in a proper way. They grow those plants which give more benefits to their family. So now, before we have grow so many times the wheat crop in this area, but the wheat growth was highly affected due to waterlogged and the production was less. But now we are trying, there we have plant some eucalyptus, and after 6 years we will observe it. There is the water channel, the water are going from upper side, and that water has created the soil the waterlogged, and because of this the soil is bad, and there the growth of the crop is impossible. But eucalyptus tree, when you grow in waterlogged area, automatically they save the water and they dry that place. Yesterday we have also used a generator, and through this generator we have pumped the water, and these through pumping we have make a very good make the drainage system better than before. Before the situation was different, but now the situation is different. There you will see thermira plants there, and the thermira plants grow there where the water are more. So thermira is that type of plant. Some people, the poor people, cut it and they make the sag and they use in their house. It is very tasty. So the waterlogged nowadays is a great issue in Pakistan, and the government of Pakistan have arranged different program by forest department and by other agriculture department, water management department, and they want how to solve these problem. So now we have first level the land, and when we level the land we have try to grow the wheat crop, but there the soil type as white, and there the salinity problem also. So there the there the growth of the wheat is very weak, but in some area the growth is more there or no. But sometimes if we put the organic matter to the farm, through this way we get more production from the land. But our farmer have only used the fertilizer and they put in the field, and because of this they grow the wheat. But the all area the plant growth is very scarce, and in few area only the crops are in a good situation. So now see to this. There you will see majority plant belong to weeds. Its name is oat, and they also create a problem for the production of crop. Already you have knowledge that what is weed. Weed is that crop which affect the major crop, any plant which affect the production of the wheat. Automatically this is the wheat for wheat crop. So the farmer try how to remove and how to cut these wheat from their field to increase the production of the farmer. Now you see this is the area. This is, you will see the white color on the soil, and these white color, this is called salt, and when the area is waterlogged, the salt come on the soil and they affect the growth of the plant. Now you see this is also a drainage area. There the waterlog affection is more, and this is the main thing is that there is the water channel, and the farmer not use the water properly, and because of this the water come there, and these water then create the problem of water logging. So it is necessary for the government to check everywhere why water is a very important sources, but that water the farmer misutilize, and they not increase the production of the crops. So you also see where the eucalyptus small plants we have grown on that area. It was our first activity, but these all activity linked with the rural development, because the waterlogged area is a rural area, and we want how to solve the problem of the rural area. So this is the waterlogged area, and we have grown the eucalyptus tree, and the eucalyptus tree will save the water from the and they will make the area dried, and then there will be no waterlog will be occur. So this is the methodology of the positive part. But if you see that area, there is also majority area is waterlogged. Therefore it is necessary for the government of water management to see that area, and there they put some pipe by government resources, and they solve the problem of that area, because it is the duty of the government to increase the productivity of the farmer and to improve socio-economic condition of the rural population, because our farmers are very poor and they have no money and no credit to purchase inputs or tractor or best technology to use for the for increasing of their productivity. So this was a small activity which we have done in the rural area. Already students, I have told you that rural area is that area where majority based on agriculture and natural resources. So the land is also the natural resources, and the water is also the natural resources. So these resources the farmer use, and they want to improve the socio-economic condition of the rural area. So now we also observe to you the rural sector, and there you will also see the poplar, and the popularity also play a great role in the development of the rural farmer. They grow these popular plant, and in the time of problem they sell it and they get the fund, and that fund they use for that problem solution. So there are so many activity which held in the rural area, and they want to solve the problem of the rural sector. According to my view, in past so many programs were launched. Among these programs, Village Aid Program, Integrated Rural Development Program, Benazir Income Support Program, Microfinance Program, Sarhad Rural Support Program, and Punjab Rural Support Program, Sindh Rural Support Program. There are so many programs they have held in that area, and through this way they solve some problem, but in some area they have not solved the problem, and because of this the rural area program failed and they not achieved their target, but few influential people have achieved the benefits of the program and the non-influential people have not achieved the benefits of the program. Because of this, it is necessary for the government, if they launch the program, so there a proper person, expert person will be available and they will manage very well, and they will see to every activity of the project, what is the positivity of that project and what is the negativity of that project. If the productivity is more, then they will allow this program, and when the productivity is less, they will stop this program, because the rural people mostly depend on the government budget. If the government budget are not utilized for rural people, so it is impossible for the government of Pakistan